Hello, friends. Welcome to the masterclass by Being Pro Learner. Today we are going to make this stunning PowerPoint presentation. Important thing is, don't skip the video. Let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab. Select the shape icon and choose the rectangular shape. Then, fill the shape in the slide. Then change the color into light gray in color. Then remove the outline. Then insert the text box and change the font style. Then change the font size to 160. Then fill the text and arrange it well. Now, select the shape first and the text. Then go to the shape format and choose the Merge Shape option. Click it and choose Subtract option. Then insert the picture from your computer. Then crop and change the ratio 16:9. Then arrange it well. Then send the image to back. Then again insert a picture from your computer. And then crop the image by. Change the ratio to 16:9. Now, do like I am doing. Now, insert a rectangular shape. Then do like this. Then, select Shape and then the picture. Go to the animation. Select the line animation. Then, choose Effect option and select from left. Bring the welcome shape to front. Now click the shape and click the red point and do like I am arranging it to another side of slide. Now click the image and click the red point and do like I am arranging it. But the image must cover the welcome text. Now, click the small shape and change the duration to 7 seconds. Now, click the image and change the duration to 7 seconds and check it is in with previous. Then bring the small shape to front. Then, insert the text box. Fill the text in the box and make them bold. Make the space between letters. For that, click here and choose More Space, and set the space to 20. Now, select the text box and go to the animation. Select Float in Animation and set the start to with previous and duration 7 seconds. Let's see the magic. Friends, finally our stunning welcome slide page is ready. Do subscribe for the next part. Thank you.